Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ruma Chakravarti, the Deputy Country Manager of OITI India. I'm generally very camera shy, but today is a special occasion, and special occasion requires special efforts also from my end. So today I'm pleased and honored to be introducing two strong and independent personalities of the Indian textile industry, Dr. Sumita. She's one of the directors of Radiant Apparels Private Limited. She's based out of Bangalore. She's a doctor by profession, but has chosen to be in our industry. So now we'll take the time to listen, hear from them, what they have to say about their journey, and how what advice they would like to give to budding entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs of the industry. Thank you so much.
I'm a woman entrepreneur working in the garment industry for the last 30 years. Hi everyone, I am Sumita Krishnaswamy. I'm a dentist by profession, but drawn into the garment industry not by choice but by family obligation. Once I entered the garment industry, I realized the great potential I had to make a change in the lives of the women working in our organization. I'm based in Bangalore. The name of my firm is Radiant Apparels Private Limited, and we have been in the industry for 30 long years. We have been dealing with the same buyers and the same vendors for the last 30 years. One of the core values I firmly believe in is providing education to the children of the women employees working in an organization. I sincerely believe that providing education opens endless opportunities for the children of the future generations. For this particular reason, we provide interest-free loan to all the women employees working in the organization. This has ensured that the women working in an organization have stayed with us for nearly 30 continuous years. I firmly believe in the quote which says, "Give a man a fish and you feed him for a day, and teach a man how to fish and you feed him for a lifetime." Our commitment extends beyond fostering a sense of community by prioritizing educations for the children of the women workers working in our organization. We're ensuring that the future generations have multiple opportunities open to them. Let's embrace the moment and wishing you a happy Women's Day.
आप सभी को ओईटीआई इंडिया की ओर से अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। नमस्ते।